Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start risk management strategies with Investopedia, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the basic concepts of risk management. Familiarize yourself with definitions such as risk, risk tolerance, and risk aversion. Visit Investopedia's website and search for risk management. Read through the articles that explain the different types of risks, like identify the specific risks that apply to your investment strategy or business. Next, assess your risk tolerance. Consider your financial goals, investment horizon, and personal comfort levels regarding risk. Once you have a grasp of your risk profile, it's time to begin developing your risk management strategies. Start by diversifying your investment portfolio. Use Investopedia's resources to learn about asset allocation and diversification techniques. Create a balanced portfolio that includes a mix of stocks, bonds, and other financial instruments. Implement stop-loss orders to limit potential losses on your investments. This strategy involves setting predetermined sell points for your assets. Keep an eye on market trends and be prepared to adjust your strategies as necessary. Regularly review your portfolio to ensure it aligns with your risk management goals. Take advantage of Investopedia's simulation tools to practice your risk management strategies. These tools allow you to experiment in a risk-free environment. Lastly, stay informed about ongoing developments in risk management by subscribing to relevant newsletters or following investment blogs. Continuously educate yourself to enhance your risk management skills. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to implementing effective risk management strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.